Hi, Callum here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the grapefruit and ginger sherbet from the Cocktail Kitchen book. The equipment we're going to need to make this sherbet is a metal or a glass bowl, a muddler or a rolling pin, some scales, a fine mesh sieve and a wooden spoon. And in terms of ingredients, we're going to need 150 grams of grapefruit juice, 150 grams of sugar, the zest from one grapefruit and 20 grams of chopped ginger. Let's get into it.